jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. And the rules ain't no power, we can do it anyhow. Oh, you know we'll see you through, 'cause every day we pay the price.
Morning, good morning. My ears are stuffy.
Unstuff them.
Yeah, hi guys. So today is, do you know what today is? It's our hey.
Oh, what about the new look? Can I tell them about the new look?
We still do. Oh yes, guys. Welcome to the new and improved Yardie belly. Beard free, hair free, and looking all sassy.
And look young and cute.
So yeah, it's our anniversary, our 23rd anniversary, you guys. Thank God, all honor and glory to Him, because if it wasn't for Him, I could not survive this marriage. But yeah, we're on the road. He's taking me somewhere that is unknown to me, and I'm just here for the surprise.
We are here because remember, we got our boy with us.
Yes, guys, you already know.
The young man is here.
And guess what? This might be the last time as a member of.
No, but you know, like
he's going off to college.
He's not gonna do
So
anything.
this is he's gonna go, start life per se, and so this might be his last time seeing us
or hanging out
with us
like that.
Yeah, on an anniversary level. So we're like, food is involved.
You better be hanging out with us.
Food is involved, and him loving belly, and it's daytime. So
Who said food involved?
you. So we decided to bring him. That's the only way we could have gotten it to become a part of it anyway. Food was involved.
So we are heading to West Palm Beach. That's the only thing I'm telling them.
Okay. So it's a surprise for him too. He doesn't know.
No. None of you guys know.
Yeah. So yeah, just stick and see, and we will see together for the first time.
Dun, dun, dun.
Surprise. Anniversary. Anna.
Market. It's called Grandview Public Market, right? And when you get in there, you'll see it's a whole bunch of stuff all in one.
Oh, okay.
So you pick it's like a bunch of different restaurants all connected. And you can go.
Oh, so you just
Right. So you pretty much get to pick where you want to eat.
okay.
All the way around here, all the way down there.
Oh, okay.
So
So you just pretty much walk by wherever. Okay.
hey, how are you? Can we go? Like, you know.
Yeah. You just try to type the orders, and then this is my stuff here, so I put
So we went into the Zero Empty Spaces art gallery, and we spoke with an artist, and there are many artists in there. It's a working gallery, so you see work from different people. These that I'm showing now is done by a very, very good artist. His name is Kyle Lux Fine Art. You can find him on Instagram and Facebook, and there are so many others to choose from, but we walked through that before we went to get some food. To make it, you can get somebody to make it. These are so good. Call it thick beans. Yeah. So these. These are nice too. Alright, so this was the art studio. We were in the art studio checking out the different types of artists and what they do. And now we're gonna go. Well, I don't think them want them to mix the food in the art place. Alright, so what do you feel for it? The roasters. And he's making coffee for us. Yeah? Thank you. So this is our order from Clear. Thank you so much. Here. You know, hold all of them. So this is what's this sandwich, Josh? What's the sandwich?
It's a patty melt. I think it's just cheese and like a burger.
You prefer inside, he said? What did you say?
It's a patty melt. This is not copyright.
Oh, maybe it is. It's a Rat Barbecue Company and feature all sorts of stuff. Thank you so much. Okay.
Awesome. That is nice. We had to go outside, go do like a mini photo shoot, or else the wife would not be happy. So here goes, guys, our mini photo shoot. See all the stores that are in the market. Awesome. We could have had our food in here and we didn't.
So how does it feel to be married to the most beautiful girl in the world?
She should be proud because she has the nicest guy in the world.
No, how do you feel to be married?
I feel very honored because I know she has the nicest guy in the world.
How does it feel to be married for 23 years?
Kill me now.
Not funny. So not funny.
It's a video. So guys, we come out to the Grandview, and of course, you know, we have to bring Joshua on the road over for breakfast. This was brunch, breakfast, and all of those things. We have to bring Joshua, our boy, and listen, him is an integral part of us. It was absolutely awesome. We enjoyed it. We enjoyed all the food and stuff. And as you see, the Grandview is what they have done is they have reclaimed the old buildings in the you know, the old district, and they have used it for, you know, different vendors coming in, and it's a whole host. It's a public market. It has become, you know, and so that's the whole concept behind it, and we enjoy it. I wish I could do something like this in Port St. Lucie. You know, have a bunch of people coming in, like, you know, if we could have done like a nice little Caribbean market like that. You know, different Caribbean stores coming in and you can purchase different things. Yeah, so enjoy with you, and we're gonna jump down here now and drive it. So on the patio there is a bingo game going on, and I get to understand that this is almost every Sunday, every weekend that they do a bingo game. There's a bar outdoor area, and as you can see, people are having fun. We are not gonna stay for that because, again, the evening, the Sunday afternoon is still not done for us. But yo, Grandview, nice.
Let me see your shirt. Let me see your shirt.
about?
We pretty much had food from 4 of them. Joshua had burger.
Including one more coffee.
Oh, maybe 6 of them. I had a matcha latte from the coffee spot. I had a Mediterranean bowl.
That was good.
With chicken and tabbouleh, hummus, pita bread, veggies, purple cabbage. It was just a nice, a different variation of flavors in one bowl. That was amazing. I think that was, Joshua said it was too healthy. You claim it was healthy.
It was okay. I mean, it was really good. And the grilled chicken never dry out or nothing.
It was fresh. It tasted fresh. It didn't taste like frozen. So that was good. Joshua had the burger and it came with
he had a patty melt.
Patty melt.
Patty melt.
So Joshua had
It was good and very juicy.
okay.
The patty was a little bit
Overcooked.
under seasoned.
Okay.
For my taste, we like our stuff with a little bit more, spice in it and stuff. But overall, it was a good sandwich. And the fries was really good, right, Josh?
The fries was amazing.
Really good.
It tastes like a mixture of salt and sweet and sprinkled on it.
Yeah.
And it had a nice taste. And the ketchup tasted different. I like the ketchup. It tastes like it had a little bit of extra something in there.
Right.
And Joshua also bought pizza. The pizza was good. I mean,
Very good.
it was a little bit, the dough was thick. So,
And I'm gonna tag all the places. I'm gonna put all the places in the video. So if you go there, you can just make this straightforward. There's no 2 places that sells the same thing.
right. So the pizza dough was one of those deep dish pizzas, I think.
Yeah, but there's a trick to it, right?
Well, pure bread
They
and
make the dough a little bit puffy so that they don't use a lot of cheese on the top. But this one was really good.
really good.
Never overly oily either. It was just nice.
And the toppings were awesome.
Which was just pepperoni.
That was pepperoni?
Yeah.
It don't taste like pepperoni.
Because it's not the regular.
It was all
It was like
homemade.
I don't know, but it never on a regular pepperoni.
Yeah, it was good. And then he got a ramen
Bowl.
a ramen bowl from
The ramen store or the ramen what the name? The ramen place. I will tell you.
and then we got some of the small pot sticker dumplings.
Gao-san.
Good too. And then they had bubble tea from the bubble tea. So it's about 6 places, to be honest.
And their food is not too big, but it's just the right size, for what you order. The prices are nice, competitive prices. I mean, for the atmosphere, the ambience, and all the additional things. There's music playing. There was a bingo game going on.
You guys will see that we went outside and there was a nice little surf store with a nice little ambiance where you can hang out to and eat in that nice air-conditioned environment.
We didn't take a lot of pictures because we never really want. We didn't do no well for shooting because we never want to interrupt people and that type of thing. But what I did capture, hopefully it will show you what's going on. I actually asked some of the people if I can film their food and stuff like that. And because of copyright, we didn't want to film extensively there because of the copyright music and all of that. But it was a good experience, and definitely I would take people there. It was a nice hangout place. And so kudos to the Grandview Public Market. I'm gonna tag them in this video as well. But
And we enjoyed the art space on the top with the artist guy.
when we started out,
Nice.
And again, I didn't film all of that because again, you don't want to just run in with your camera and start filming people because you don't want them to feel away. You see me?
So guys, pretty much that is our review. The food was good, worth it. Price point not bad at all. A perfect day date, a nice little hangout, whether with family, friends, or
And funny? Sorry, baby, I'm so sorry to interrupt you. I could see Joshua hanging out there
Yeah.
based on the type of vibe of that place. It's not for big people like we were there, but it was funny because we had, even though there were big people there, we had a lot of young people there.
Yeah, it was a mixed crowd, yeah.
Yeah, you know, it's hip.
Hip.
It's hip. I feel so very hip right now. I'm very hippish.
Alright guys, if you hear a loud noise, it's the car. We are driving, so
And it's great that after 23 years of being together, that I am still so cute.
you think you're funny, you know?
But what is good is that we can still hang out,
And we can
you
still
know,
laugh.
and we are survived like what Papa San said. And she's still cute, she hot. The people them a look when we are some, we should, me tell you some, should I buy the cookie from the girl, you know, because them a cheer we on, you know.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna show you some pictures that we take with Joshua. Yeah. My girl, Emma, my girl.
My girl has. Yeah.
My girl in a one, boy. Joshua even look good and then I'm gonna do the rest of the stuff.
Is the way I'm shouldn't come? That's why.
You're about to sleep?
Anyway, you guys. So the thing is, go for it. We ain't through with you yet. Like, rate, subscribe, share, and tell a friend about the Yardie on the TV because guess what?
Happy anniversary, my dear. Happy anniversary. And good cheer. Look at muscles and shit.
Joshua, when you gonna get them muscles?
Joshua, you can't get them muscles, yeah. Muscles. Why you stripping me at the camera? Muscles.
So guys, that pretty much concludes our anniversary day date. Yes, it was amazing. Different, right? Very different. Not over the top, but it was just still a rich experience. Just doing, you know, having the opportunity to see something different, to taste different foods, different
You know, hang
cuisines.
out in a different crowd.
Spend time with the family,
Yeah.
including.
The big man around there, so.
That's the real. So, thanks for spending the time with us. Join us later for part